Hello you guys, welcome to Journey with Shar on this beautiful Sunday. Y'all, it is so hot here in these neck of the woods. It is a little bright out there, so I had to close my blinds. But we're going to do this really cute quick review. I'm going to post a video before this. You'll see the video before this where I'm in the 99-cent store. And this lady was giving rave reviews about the mug treat cake. So mommy wanted to try it, and I'm going to make it for you guys today. What I am going to do is we're going to do one in the mug here. But then I figured if I combine two of the mixes, I can make a small cake in this cute little glass container that I have here. We're going to see how that comes out. And then I made some homemade buttercream here because of the fact that they do come with their own icing, but I like to make my own icing. This you can add as decorations on top, so we're going to see how that looks as well, since it's a darker chocolate on top of that milk chocolate icing. So you guys stay tuned. We're about to make the Betty Crocker's mug treat mug cake, the triple chocolate cake mix, and it says frosting included, but like I said, I made my own buttercream, so you guys stay tuned. Let's get to it. Alright you guys, so what we're about to do is open up the mug treat package. Okay, so I'm going to open this, and then we have the mug here. Okay, so we're going to empty that all inside, and that's what that looks like in the inside, you guys. It says it wants 3 tablespoons, smells very chocolatey. It wants 3 tablespoons of milk. So show me doing this. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you guys, so we have to put the content, just empty the contents into the cake mix into the mug here. And this is the 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to pour that right into the mixture, and I'm just going to stir. Let's get that really nice and stirred. All come together nicely. Nice and stirred. Make sure we get all that around the corners. Okay. There we go. I do have some Ghirardelli cacao, 60%, and I'm just going to drop a couple, just a few of these little chocolate chips down in the inside and just mix them. And you probably can add nuts to this just to be more creative. Since it's a small cake, I don't want to go too crazy, so I do have the chocolate chips in there. Hopefully they don't sink to the bottom. Okay, you guys, now it says take over to the microwave and let that cook in the microwave for, let's see here, I believe it's for 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Oh, about 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to take it to the microwave and I'll bring it back. You guys stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so there you go. I stuck it in the microwave for about, a minute. And this is what it gets. This is the result. And I did stick this in there, and there's none coming off. And then what we do is we take this little bit of frosting here. I'm going to make sure I mix it up really, really good. And we're going to top this. The purpose is to, probably should let it cool, but the purpose is to have a yummy, gooey chocolate mug cake. Right? This could be this could be sinful. I can see where that can be a little sinful.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you guys, so that is the frosting going on top. My homemade frosting. Then we're going to open this. There's some scissors right there on the chair. And we're just going to drizzle that. But now I'm going to make a bigger mug cake. We're going to see how this goes. So I'm going to cook this one for 2 minutes. So you guys stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this was their frosting. And I'm just going to take it and do a little cute little drizzle. Let's see what we can get here. Some of it is coming up across the top.
That's the way I cut it.
Yeah, it is the way you cut it. That's okay. But we got a cute little drizzle there. So there is the first mug cake. So we're going to let that sit. And now we're fixing to do the second mug cake. Okay, you guys, now we're going to try a bigger size mug cake. So now I have here a lean green. I don't know what size it is, but I figured it would be perfect. I did grease it just in case I want to take it out and put it on here. And just frosting the cake. We're going to see what happens, you guys. Okay, and so now we have 2 packages of the mug cake here. I'm going to add in the 3 tablespoons of milk. So I have to put 6 in here because I'm doubling the recipe. And I'm going to mix this really, really good. Mommy, can you hold this while I mix this? Really, really good. Okay, you guys, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I did coat these chocolate chips just so that they can like kind of float in the middle, not put too much. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of fold those in there. And I'm going to put them, get all of the mix off of here. Okay, you guys, so we're going to put that all in there. This smells like a regular cake mix. It's just microwavable version. Okay, so let me just get this really good, y'all, because y'all know I like to get everything. So let me just do that. Okay, so we're just going to put that in there. And we're going to put this in. I'm going to see if it's about 2 minutes. Okay, hold on one moment. Let me get all of this cake batter off of this spatula. Leave nothing unscathed. Okay, and there we go. And then I'm just going to take this just so it can be a little more neater. I'm going to get those edges. Okay, let that shake, do a little drop, and let me take this over, you guys. Next up, this will be baked and done. I'm going to put it in for 2 minutes. You guys stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so excuse my thumbprint, but I did stick a knife through there and it is perfect, you guys. Look, it cooked all the way through. I'm going, ooh, it's hot. Look at this. Maybe if I put it down here, you can see it better. You see that? That is amazing. And I'm going to let it cool off, but let's see what it looks like. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. That's what it looks like at the bottom. What I do for you guys. Oh my goodness. It looks like it's a well balanced cooked cake. I'm going to let this completely cool because I'm going to try to remove it from the glass. Put it on here and then frosting it. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So let me just cover this back up so that it doesn't dry out. And then we're going to let this completely cool. And I'll be back with a cooled cake and we're going to see if we can plop it out. If not, we'll just frost it in the container, but hopefully we can do that. And then we're going to put it on here, frosting it, and Mommy will do a taste test. But yes, this is what this one looks like so far, you guys. Look at that. So we're going to go in. Here, Ma. Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh,
wow, so the chocolate did
what
good.
What taste it on?
You see that on your plate. Look at the inside of that. Wonderful. So Mommy's going to taste this bit on her plate. Go ahead and taste it. Let me see. I'm just going to let you guys look in there and see the consistency. Is it good? Oh, she says it's delicious.
It is really good.
Is it good?
It's good.
It looks really moist.
It is moist.
The chocolate chips, I think, really did. I wanted you guys to see the consistency.
It added.
There we go. Does that help a little bit? I think just a little bit. And that is the Betty Crocker. The Betty Crocker mug treat cake, you guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, you guys, so this is really working. I just took the cake out. It's a little bit of, probably stick that right there. I just took the cake out of here. I did have to use the offset spatula to really get it out. So I put it on this Wilton. This is what I used to put my cakes when I would decorate them. But this is the height of the cake. I think it has nice height, you guys. And I'm gonna do a crumb coat and then let it sit and then finish it off. And let's see what we have here. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the mug cake. All right, this reminds me of those old school, what are those, that thing you bought, Chrissy? The baking thing?
Oh, easy bake.
This reminds me of an Easy Bake, you guys. If you're an adult and you're like, oh, I want something that reminds me of Easy Bake, honey, get this mug treat because it will remind you of Easy Bake. This is cute to do with kids. However, to mix it and everything, that's as far as I would go. I would not let the kids touch, put the mug. You can have them put it in the microwave, but I would not let them take it out of the microwave. The mug can be hot and you have to be very, very careful. You can take them out of the microwave and let them cool completely and then let the kids continue on with the decorations. That would be my suggestion. But delicious, delicious cake. So this is how this is doing. And we have the height there. And you do see the chocolate chips, but they do not burn. And so now we're just going to, I'm going to try to cut this in half. I'm going to look for my cake slicer. If I can't, I'm going to try to cut it in half and with a serrated knife. And then we'll move forward to the frosting. Okay, you guys, so I have my cake slicer here. And I put it on 6 so that we can get an even slice through. So let's try to get this sliced. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go across here. And we're just going to bring that across. Push the cake forward. Hopefully this goes through right. I hope it went right, you guys. Hold on. Yes, there we go. An even slice here. So they see that? And then that one. So we're going to put this one on top of here. And then I'm going to start with the, you guys overlook the crumbs. I'm going to start with the frosting. So now we're going to use this little spatula to frost the cake. Okay, you guys, stay tuned. Here we go. Usually I would make a border, but y'all, this is just a simple little, cute little cake. Something simple for you guys to make at home. If you can say, you know what, I want a little cake. I mean, I want the mug cake. What would it be? I just thought that would be genius. How would that be if I combine both of them and put them in a little, just a little bit. I like a lot of, well, they like a lot of frosting. This is really cute. Okay, you guys, so then we're going to take this. I'm trying to think which way. I'm going to do it this way because it's flatter. All right, set that on top. Y'all, excuse all the chocolate. So we're going to do a crumb coat first. And this is the crumb coat. Put that all on top. Usually I would put this cake in the freezer. But you guys, like I said, this is just something really, really fun. Let's get this on. And I would have my cake plate spinning, but like I said, y'all, this is something really fun. But isn't it cute? It's coming out to be a really cute little chocolate cake. I am not mad. Even if you want to practice your cake decorating skills, this is really cute to do so.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to waste the whole cake after you're done practicing. Okay.
It's so cute.
It is a cute little cake, isn't it? Cute little chocolate cake, you guys. So this is what the cake looks like so far. You guys, and this is the mug cake. I doubled up. Okay, so for those of you who are just tuning in, and I'm going to try to get some swirls all the way around here. And it didn't pick up much of the crumbs, which is, I'm happy about. This is the big moment here. Can I do it? Can I slide it? Should I leave it? Can I slide it? I'm nervous. Yay! I did it. Did we do it? It's not all the way on, but it's on good enough. And so all you gotta do for those little mistakes, just fill in that little chocolate. area.
It is so cute for somebody's birthday.
Isn't it cute? And just do the little swirls. You guys, I didn't want to mess it up too much, but thank God I got it on the cake plate. Usually I would put parchment paper, but y'all, she's not doing all that today. This is enough. So we're going to wipe this clean so that it can look at least pretty. That's why you do the parchment paper when you do the decorations. Usually on that plate I would leave it on there, especially if I'm transporting a little cake. But there we go, guys. Now we're going to get the icing and we're going to drizzle. Oh, you already opened it for me? Oh, thank you. So we're going to get some of their icing and we're going to drizzle a little design. Can they see that? You sure? Is my hand in the way?
A little, but
You guys, drizzle a little design on top of the cake. And we can just take it and maybe just do some swirls. Huh? Just on top. That's pretty, huh? And this is the mug cake. Okay, you guys, so I am about to cut this cake for my family and I wanted you to see it. So that is it. It's been sitting here for about 2 hours. Yeah, maybe about 3 hours it's been sitting. So we're gonna go ahead on and cut the cake. This is so exciting. Okay, Mom, can you get a plate? I'm gonna try to do this nice and neatly. Y'all. Look at the cake. It's so cute. You guys see that? It's really, really cute. And then there's some extra frosting right here that you can put on the side. And so Joshua, oh, well, Mommy can taste the cake. She had some earlier, but she can taste this one. And so that's what it looks like cut in the inside. And so that's it. And I wanted you guys to see me make this mug treat, and I hope you enjoyed this really quick video, the Betty Crocker mug treat review. Check out the Betty Crocker mug treats, and they do come in, I think Ghirardelli has one, I do believe Duncan Hine has one. It's pretty popular, and I do show it in the video before this one. So you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time viewing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Also give me a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below if you've ever tried this mug cake. Which flavor did you try and did you like it? And y'all, this is a doctored version. We call it doctored up. I doctored this one. This is a doctored up version of the mug cake. Okay, you guys, so stay tuned for more with Journey with Shar. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. Pray you all have a blessed week to come. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. Be blessed. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.